Hello everyone, let's learn Malay by just watching. Today we are going to chapter 44. I'm gonna explain about adverb phrases. Chapter 44 or bab 44. Adverb phrases is a group of words that does the work of an adverb. An adverb phrase, like an adverb, modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Examples: adverb phrases of manner. Dengan tiba-tiba, suddenly. Dengan berani, with courage or bravery. Dengan tidak bijak, without wisdom. Dengan pantas, with swiftness. Dengan cantik, in a beautiful style. Dengan lemah lembut, in a gentle manner. Adverb phrases of manner. Tanpa syarat, without condition. Dengan fasih, with eloquence. Fasih also means fluent, fluently. Dengan tulus ikhlas, with sincerity. Mengikut jalan darat, by land route. Dengan perasaan sedih, with a feeling of sadness. Dengan tergesa-gesa, in an impulsive manner, impulsively. Adverb phrases of time. Pada suatu ketika, at one time. Pada suatu masa, once upon a time. Pada zaman dahulu, long ago. Baru-baru ini, lately, recently. Dengan secepat mungkin, as soon as possible. Hingga ke akhir hayat, till the end of one's life. Dari detik ini, from this moment. Hingga larut malam, till late at night. Adverb phrases of place. Di tempat itu, at the place. Ke tempat lain, to another place. Ke negara asing, to a foreign country. Di pinggir hutan, at the edge of the jungle. Di tengah lautan, in the middle of the ocean. Di seluruh negara, all over the country. Di sekitar bandaraya, all around the city. Examples of adverb phrase in sentences. Dengan tiba-tiba, semua lampu di dalam dewan itu padam. Suddenly, all the lamps in the hall went off. Orang yang beradab sopan bergerak dan bercakap dengan lemah lembut. Beradab, well-mannered. Sopan, polite. A well-mannered person moves and speaks in a gentle manner. Mereka bercadang hendak pergi ke Mekah mengikut jalan darat. They intend to go to Mecca following the land route. Pada suatu ketika, dia bekerja sebagai buruh di Jabatan Telekom. At one time, he was working as a labourer in the telecom department. Menteri Besar melawat kampung kami baru-baru ini. The Chief Minister visited our village recently. Budinya tidak akan aku lupa hingga akhir hayatku. I will not forget his kindness as long as I live. Or, I will not forget his kindness till the end of my life. Dia mendirikan sebuah pondok di pinggir hutan itu. He erected a hut at the edge of the jungle. Hari Kebangsaan dirayakan di seluruh negara. National Day was celebrated all over the country. Dia tinggal di sini dahulu, tetapi sekarang dia telah berpindah ke tempat lain. He lived here before, but now he has moved to another place. Budi, kindness. Berbudi, to be kind. Baik hati, kind-hearted. Words to remember. Nouns. Askar, soldier or army. Dewasa, adult. Goal, goal. Gua, cave. Jambatan, bridge. Pangkat, rank or grade. Pantai, beach. Perahu, boat. Permainan, games. Senjata api, firearms. Anggap, to consider. Dirobohkan, to be pulled down. Lepas, to release or to set free. Terumbang-ambing, to sway about. Naik pangkat, to be promoted. Menjaringkan, to score a goal. Memberitahu, to tell. Menyaksikan, to witness. Rendang, leafy, trees. Not rendang. Rendang is a Malaysian cuisine, but rendang refers to the short and leafy trees. Larut malam. Larut, another word for lewat malam, late night. Siapa-siapa or sesiapa, anybody. Tanpa, without. Exercise, latihan. Column 1. Askar-askar kita telah berjuang melawan penjahat. Our army. Fight, struggle to fight the terrorists. Encik Jackson sekarang boleh bertutur bahasa Melayu. Now Mr. Jackson able to speak Malay language. Saya berharap tuan dapat menjawab surat saya. I hope you will reply my letter. Awak dianggap sebagai seorang dewasa mulai. You are regarded or considered as an adult starting. Dari tepi pantai, kami nampak sebuah perahu terumbang-ambing. At the shore, we saw a boat sway about. Tidak lama lagi pokok-pokok rendang akan ditanam. Soon, the leafy trees will be planted. Pokok-pokok rendang. This is pokok rendang. Leafy, short and leafy trees. This is rendang. Column 2, dengan secepat mungkin, as soon as possible. Detik ini, this moment, di tengah laut, in the middle of the sea or ocean. Dengan berani, bravely. Di sekitar bandaraya, around the city. Dengan fasih, fluently. And the answer, askar-askar kita telah berjuang melawan penjahat dengan berani. Our soldier struggle to fight the terrorists bravely. Encik Jackson sekarang boleh bertutur bahasa Melayu. Now Mr. Jackson are able to speak Malay language fluently. Saya berharap tuan dapat menjawab surat saya dengan secepat mungkin. I hope you will reply my letter as soon as possible or immediately. Awak dianggap sebagai seorang dewasa mulai detik ini. From this moment, you are considered as an adult. Dari tepi pantai, kami nampak sebuah perahu terumbang-ambing di tengah laut. From the edge of the beach or from the seashore, we saw a boat to sway about in the middle of the ocean. Tidak lama lagi pokok-pokok rendang akan ditanam di sekitar bandaraya. Soon the leafy trees will be planted around the city. Exercise or latihan number 1. The Perak team scored the third goal in style. Pasukan Perak menjaringkan gol yang ketiga dengan penuh bergaya. 2. The man was released without condition. orang itu dilepaskan tanpa syarat. 3. Impulsively he left the place without telling anybody. Tanpa memberitahu siapa-siapa, dia meninggalkan tempat itu dengan tergesa-gesa. Also in a hurry, tergesa-gesa. 4. When you receive the money, please come to my house as soon as possible. Apabila awak terima wang itu, sila datang ke rumah saya dengan seberapa segera. 5. He was promoted recently. Dia dinaikkan pangkat baru-baru ini. 6. The bridge will be closed till the end of this week. Jambatan itu akan ditutup hingga akhir minggu ini. 7. Firearms have been found in the cave. Senjata api telah dijumpai di dalam gua itu. 8. Spectators stood around the field to watch the game. Penonton-penonton berdiri di keliling padang kerana hendak menyaksikan permainan tersebut. 9. 10 houses which were put up illegally were pulled down. 10 buah rumah yang didirikan secara haram telah dirobohkan. 10. He worked till late at night. Dia bekerja hingga larut malam. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.